everyone. Welcome back to another edition of Azure Every Day with Pragmatic Works. I'm Chris Sefurlis, Senior Principal Architect over here. And today we're going to expand on our discussion about the Azure Data Box Edge to elaborate further on the machine learning service that it now provides in your premises with the power of Azure sitting behind it. So, just as a reminder, the Azure Data Box Edge is a physical hardware device that sits in your environment and collects data from your environment sources, such as IoT data and other places that you might take advantage of some of the AI features offered by the device. It then takes the data and sends it to Azure for further processing or storage or reporting purposes, right? So now recently announced, Microsoft Azure Machine Learning hardware accelerated models provided by Project Brainwave on the Data Box Edge itself. Now, because the majority of our data is in real-world applications is used at the edge of our networks, such as things like image and videos collected from factories, retail stores, or hospitals, can now be used for like manufacturing defect analysis or inventory out of stock detection and diagnostics, right? So by applying machine learning models to the data on DataBox Edge, it provides lower latency because we don't have to send all the data to Azure for analysis. And it also saves us on the bandwidth costs, but it still enables that sort of real-time insight and speed to action for critical business decisions. By using the Azure Machine Learning service that is already generally available, you can enable data scientists to simplify and accelerate the building, training, and deployment of machine learning models. All these capabilities are accessed from their favorite Python environment, right, using the latest open source frameworks such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn, right? These models can run today on CPUs and GPUs, but this preview really expands that out to field programmable gate array processors, or FPGA, which is the processor on the DataBox Edge. The preview is a bit limited, right? But as we know with Azure, features change every day. But in this case, you're able to enhance the Azure Machine Learning service by training a TensorFlow model for image classification scenarios, right? So you would containerize that model in a Docker container and then deploy it to the DataBox Edge using IoT Hub. Now, a good application for this would be if you're using AI models for quality control purposes. If you know what a finished product should look like and what the quality specs are, and you build a model defining those parameters, then you take an image of that product as they're coming off the assembly line. You can now send those images to the DataBox Edge in your environment and more quickly capture defects, right? So obviously that means you're going to save a bunch of money because you're now throwing away less defective products or finding the root cause quicker. Now, I've been really looking forward to these capabilities for a while, and I really can't wait to see how some of the enterprises are going to leverage this awesome technology. If you have any interest in the Azure Data Box family or really anything Azure in general, we're here to help. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or click the link below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.